Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 43 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 10, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a 3-owner vehicle, having covered just over 30,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Hot Magenta and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have the nice clean interior. The seats there are in really good condition. There's 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your FM radio and CD player there in the centre. Just below that, you've then got your air conditioning controls. And on the left-hand side knob there in the centre, you've got your famous Ford Quick Clear front windscreen, so ideal for the frosty mornings. Onto the driver's door card, you then have your electric folding mirror and front window controls there as well. Being the 5-door version, the car's nice and practical, so you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for the rear passengers. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own pockets in the back of the front seats there, and it's good to see the car's got some floor mats as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've then also got some extra storage there, as well as your tire inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, 15-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.